Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. And is data storage important to you, but seems like a challenge? This Buffalo LinkStation has been our go-to solution. I have so many digital pictures and videos and files that I would just be so heartbroken to lose. This network attached storage is easy to use. Plug it in, connect it to the router, and turn it on. And then you have access to the storage. You can use your computer, whether it's Windows or Mac, or smartphones to connect to the storage and back up your files. And with up to 4 terabytes, we have plenty of space. It has air vents, so it has its own cooling fan, but it's very quiet. This Buffalo LinkStation gives us peace of mind. We know that we can back up all of those important files and pictures, and that's my point of view.